morning, Jacks. This will be the last Munchie Monday for this school year, so we'll make it our best. The first recipe we have for you is blueberry scones. Did you know that the term scones was firsted in 1513? Now here's Isabella with blueberry scones. Thank you, Isabella. Next up, we have kale chips. Kale is a great source of vitamin A, C, and K. VJ will be showing you how to make kale chips. Amazing job! Those look delicious. Thanks, VJ. The next thing we have for you is dalgona candy. Jacob will show you how to make this dalgona candy. Doesn't that look great? Next up, we have peanut butter cookies. I bet that you didn't know it takes around 540 peanuts just to make a 12-ounce jar of peanut butter. Let's go to Reese for peanut butter cookies.
Let's get right to it. You will need half a cup of peanut butter, 1.5 cup of flour, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of white sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 egg. In a large bowl, combine your brown sugar, white sugar, and butter. Then, add in your peanut butter. Once you've mixed that, Then add in your egg. After that, add in your flour. Roll into balls and place about 1 inch apart. Then push with a fork in a cross shape. Bake this at 375 for 10 minutes. Take it out, and there you go.
Thanks, Reese. Those look delicious.
Hello students, this is Sam, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a potato bacon roll. It's really delicious, simple, and crispy. Let's see how we do it. Here are some materials. So first, we got cooking wine. We got light soy sauce. We got dark soy sauce. We got honey, milk, white sesame seeds, salt, black pepper, olive oil, bacon, potatoes. First, we chop the potatoes. Then we slice them. Always be careful while using the knife. Just put sliced potatoes into the pan and use steam to cook it for 30 minutes. Now we got to make the sauce. We got light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, honey, and maybe a little bit of water would be fine. I'll put the potato out, smash it, put some salt, black pepper, cooking wine, and we got some milk. Just keep it smashed. Now we use our fingers to shape the potato into a small and long shape. Roll it with bacon. Don't put too much potatoes or it'll all pop out in the middle of the cooking. We started to cook it. Put them in a pan. Put some sauce in it. Cook it. Now it's done. Now you got a perfect crispy bacon roll.
But this week is not over, so make sure to tune in tomorrow for more at home with TJTV. Bye for now, Jags!